everyone, I'm Deborah Dixon-Anderson, founder and CEO of Light of Gold PR Marketing and Consulting, LLC.
And I'm Katani Brahman, founder and creative director of the K District Concierge Branding Boutique.
Let me know if this sounds like you. Business has been going well for a while, but you're starting to see a decline in the market. Is it due to the current health crisis? Or it could be something else that's missing. You could be thinking, okay, now what? How do I stand out? Should I tap into new markets? What do I do to bring in more revenue?
This is where your branding and marketing come into play. So we are coming together to give you guys the steps to take to navigate this new market with our workshop, Brand into Action while Marketing to Success.
During this workshop, I will guide you through updating your marketing plan, creating an action plan to increase sales, maybe analyzing your marketing strategy, or checking to see if your pricing model is helping or hurting you.
While I will guide you through strengthening your brand by defining your value proposition, developing a know, like, and trust factor, and how to visually communicate your brand value to your audience.
So you're probably wondering, who are these two women? And who are they to tell us how to market our businesses? Well, I've owned Light of Gold PR Marketing and Consulting, LLC for over 14 years. And I've been able to successfully place my clients in front of the right audiences and the right target markets, while also helping them to increase their bottom line and drive sales.
And I have been in the graphic design industry for 15 years, but I started the K District LLC 8 years ago. And what I do is help people get clear on who they are as a brand. Whether they own a business or they are an individual looking to build their personal empire, I understand that with clarity, we can hone in on exactly what entices customers to buy.
So collectively, together, we have over 25 years experience and understand exactly what to do in order to adapt to an ever-changing market. And we want to help you do the same.
So if you're ready to spring into action and do what it takes to have a successful 2021, follow the link that you see at the bottom of your screen and register today. We'll see you there.